Remove the safety risk of using a hand knife on site by adding the lightweight Simplex to your toolkit. The Simplex offers accurate cutting in any environment. Its superior build quality and lightweight design make it the perfect portable option. The Simplex is the safe choice. It removes the need for using a hand knife and straight edge with the risk of the blade slipping or overshooting at the end of the cut. Simplex provides a stable cutting platform to ensure your safety. The blades instantly retract when not in use, and soft silicone cords on the underside of the cutter grip and protect your material to prevent any movement. It cuts a wide variety of rigid, semi-rigid and flexible materials up to 3.1 metres wide. The utility blades will cut to a depth of 10 mm or 3/8 of an inch. Keencut guarantees that the Simplex will cut within 1 mm of a straight line for the whole length of the cutter. You can also extend the range to delicate materials by adding the optional textile cutter. The ergonomic rocker-style cutting head is designed for left or right-handed use, and the blade can be pulled or pushed as appropriate for the material being cut. Everything has been considered to ensure ease of use and reduce fatigue. There are 5 Simplex model sizes to choose from, and they are calibrated for immediate, out-of-the-box accuracy. By manufacturing in-house with only the highest quality materials, Keencut can guarantee that the Simplex will provide reliable, long-lasting and accurate service. Simplex is provided with a 5-year comprehensive guarantee.